आंसर किया BSc नर्सिंग एंट्रेंस एग्ज़ाम 2024. लेट्स नाउ दिस वीडियो. क्वेश्चन नंबर 21. Two satellites A and B move around the Earth in the same orbit. The mass of B is twice the mass of A. Then correct answer is option number A. Speed of A and B are equal. Question number 22. Light incident on a surface separating two media is partially reflected and partially refracted as so on in figure. Then correct answer is option number B. Tan I is equal to nu1 upon nu2. Next question. Question number 23. An electric current passes through a long straight copper wire at a distance 5 cm from the straight wire. The magnetic field is B. The magnetic field at 20 cm from the straight wire would be. Correct answer is option number B. B by 4. Next question. Question number 24. In a series LR circuit, the inductive reactance is equal to the resistance R of the circuit. An EMF E is equal to E0 cos omega t is applied to the circuit. The power consumed in the circuit is. Correct answer is option number C. E square upon 4R. Next question. Question number 25. Two wires A and B are made of same material. The wire A has the length L and diameter R, while the wire B has the length 2L and diameter R by 2. If the two wires are stretched by the same force, the elongations in A divided by the elongations in B is. Correct answer is option number B, 1 by 4. Question number 26. In conductor, semiconductor and the insulator, the forbidden energy gap are E1, E2 and E3 respectively. Which one is the correct? Correct answer is option number A. E1 less than E2 less than E3. Question number 27. When a wave undergoes reflections at a dense medium, its phase change by. Correct answer is 180 degree. Next question. Question number 28. The equivalent capacitance of the network shown in the figure between point A and B is. Correct answer is option number A, 1 mu F. Question number 29. As shown in figure, the wall is smooth but the surface of A and B is in the contact are rough. The frictions on B due to A in the equilibrium. Correct answer is option number A, is upward. Question number 30. An increasing current is flowing through wire PQ as shown in figure. The direction of induced current in coil A and B are table first and table second. Correct answer is option number B. Coil A clockwise and coil B anti-clockwise. Option number B is the correct answer. Question number 31. Activity of a radioactive sample decreasing to 1/3 of its original value in 3 days. Then in the 9 days its activity will become. Correct answer is 1/27 of the original value. Next question is question number 32. Identify the correct relations for the given diagram for the frequency. Correct answer is option number C, V1 less than V2 less than V3. Question number 33. In the following circuit, the potential at point B and C and the value of the resistance are. Correct answer is option number C, 10 voltmeter, 4 voltmeter and 6 ohm. Option number C is the correct answer. Question number 34. A magnet with moment m is given. If it is the bent into the semicircular form, its a new magnetic moment will be. Correct answer is option number D, 2m by pi. Question number 35. Work done in the carrying on electron from A to B lying on the equipotential surface of 1 volt potential is the correct answer is 0. Option number D. Question number 36. Let IA and IB moment of the inertia of the body about two axes A and B respectively. The axis A passes through the center of mass of the body but B does not. Then correct answer is if the axes are parallel, IA less than IB. Question number 37. Figure shows the displacement time graph of the particles moving on the x-axis. Correct answer is option number D. The particle move at the constant velocity up to a time t and then stop. Next question. Question number 38. A body of weight W1 is suspended from the ceiling of the room through the chain of the weight W2. The ceiling pulls the chain by a force. Correct answer is option number C, W1 plus W2. Question number 39. Match appropriately column first and second column. A electric field line due to a point like the positive charge and B electric field line due to the point like the negative charge. The correct answer is option number A. Question number 40. Three infinitely charged sheets or the kept parallel to xy plane having charge densities as shown in the figure, then value of the electric field at P is. Correct answer is option number C. Option number C, minus 2 sigma upon epsilon k. Thank you for watching my video.